Greetings, William Caleb back at you with another video, and today I'm going to make this one quick, but I just wanted to make sure you knew about the following resource. It's a digital marketing training that's being given away for free, and it's a little over 100 quick and simple video tutorials to start an online business, set up a website, and to sell your first digital product. And the training is really detailed and succinct. And somewhere in the description or around this video, beneath this video, or to the side of it, you're going to see a link that's going to bring you to this page, which will allow you to sign up. You'll see here a few testimonials, and the owner is Aaron Danker. I'm his affiliate partner, and you really ought to check this out. It's 100% free. All we're going to ask you for is your contact information, and we'll be sending you little tips and tricks to get going online marketing, to further entice you, of course, to get the free training and really get in depth. Now, what I'd like to do is go ahead and log in, and so you can take a look at how the inside classroom setting is. Just one moment, and here we are on the inside of the 100 plus free digital marketing tutorials. Let me go ahead and hover over these. You'll see all of these that you see at the top are the lessons. As you see, as I hover over them, each particular topic menu has more sub lessons. There's lessons, and then there's the sub lessons underneath that category. There's many lessons. As I said, it's a little over 100. Even WordPress setup, even how to use cPanel, your hosting, even how to use certain Google tools in your marketing, how to do your own graphics, of course how to do SEO, search engine optimization, different social media trainings, even forum marketing, how to use the various affiliate networks such as ClickBank and JVZoo, which are two popular ones, even how to use Amazon and how to make money online with Amazon, how to use the popular autoresponder services, Aweber and GetResponse, even how to do private label rights editing. And of course, you know, if you're familiar with my channel, if you've been around, you know I'm highly into private label rights. Well, here's some free training to teach you exactly how to set up your private label rights products, which is the same thing as white labeling. In other words, the product is already made. You just come and put your name and picture on it and your logo and your branding, and you claim it as yours. The owner is giving you the rights to do that. You are white labeling the product to be your own. It's a great way to start out, especially when you don't already have a product. Video creation, even password managers, webmaster tools, how to do freelancing, how to get your own support desk started, and the list goes on and on. You'll see as we do a simple scroll. Here's one video here. The first video is on domain name registration, and throughout the different lesson pages you'll see that there are also some more testimonials. We also have other products and other tools that we recommend for you. And as I said, I am an affiliate with Aaron Danker, so just full disclosure, any tools or any upgrades that you purchase, I will get a commission for that. That's affiliate marketing. As you all know, this channel is affiliate marketing with William. This is what I do, and it helps keep me going and helps keep me providing the best to you, and it's a way that I make a living and a way that I'm trying to show you, which is very simple for you to make a living as well. I mean, how many of us actually have the full multi-thousands and thousands of dollars to develop our own products and services and to get them going out on the web? It's much easier and simpler to just use something that's already been proven, and you go ahead and resell it and earn your commissions. And once your commissions build up, your funds build up, not only are you able to live a life, but you'll also be having a free lifestyle where eventually you won't have to work any 9-to-5s anymore. Affiliate marketing has freed so many people. You know, the big pandemic that occurred globally, after it was over, many people saw the need and the quality and the greatness in working from home and finding something that worked from home. Even corporate traditional jobs began doing remote work, allowing their workers to work from home. But before that pandemic, there was always working home opportunities. But it's funny that a lot of people dismissed it as something that was kind of scammy and fake. It's never been fake. It's never been scammy. Affiliate marketing has been along as long as sales itself has been along. It's simply, again, just to reiterate it, it's simply when a company that already has products that they've made, they've marketed, they've proven that sells, they come along and say, okay, we're going to start this thing called an affiliate program. Anybody, and I mean anybody, as long as you're of legal age, in this particular country, and a lot of times it's global as well, but as long as you're of legal age, all you have to do is sign up for our affiliate program and you can promote our products. And if you make any sales, we'll split the commissions with you. We'll split the net profits with you. And if you don't make any sales, well, no loss to you, no loss to us. It's a win-win situation, affiliate marketing is, and it's great. And these are the trainings to get you going with affiliate marketing and digital marketing in general, which digital marketing is just using the online tools and strategies of the internet to sell things. That's all digital marketing is. And this is a free training that will allow you to do that. Once again, look at all the different trainings, the lessons within the lessons. There's videos. We even have something on list building, which is very important. And of course, you're going to have traffic training given throughout as well. I don't want you to miss out on this. And the videos aren't that long. As you can see, this one is only 6 minutes. I just want you to come on the inside immediately and get going. Let me show you what the page looks like again that you're going to find. Once you click on the link underneath this video or somewhere to the side of this video, just click on the link that you see. I'll try to make it very obvious, don't worry. But let me show you what that page looks like again. It's going to look just like this page right here. And remember, you should see not just Aaron's picture, but mine as well. We're definitely partners in on this project. That's me right there, William Caleb. Okay, I'm glad you took the time to check out this video, and I really want you to come in, and who knows, maybe your testimonial could end up being in this area right here. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe, and I'll definitely bring more training and reviews on the best affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools and opportunities that I come across. All right, thanks guys. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.